Hi everybody, welcome to the Fit Mums YouTube channel. I'm Lorraine Scapins, personal trainer, corrective exercise specialist of more than 30 years, and over the last 4 weeks, I'm 4 weeks post tomorrow, been following my journey with full knee replacement on my left leg. Okay, I had a very serious horse riding accident when I was 21, so it was always on the cards, and I'm now 51. So I managed to put it off for a very long time. I keep it strong. I'm being a triathlete. All right, so what am I going to show you today? I'm going to show you some exercises that I've got. I'm in a studio in my own house. I'm quite lucky, but you don't need to. You can do these exercises in the lounge. And what they are and what I've found and what I've developed them to be is confidence for your new leg. So you can start these whenever you feel able to. And the first one is I actually just do when I'm cleaning my teeth. I'm doing side steps. That's it. So all this is doing is a proprioception and just starting to place body weight on that leg. So you don't need to count. You can do these in the kitchen as well, just building confidence on the joint that you've had replaced. Next exercise is very similar. Okay, and I'm just starting to step forward as far as I feel comfortable. Now, I would not do these in the kitchen on a hard floor. You don't want to be around anywhere where you're going to slip. So you can start to work through these. The more confident you feel, you can start to add a bit more of a bend, slower. Also going to help definitely on that flexion. So there's those two. Then I'm starting to just go a little bit further into more of a side lunge. I'll just move back a little bit so you can see, to really see where the joint is. Now, like I say, I'm 4 weeks. I know my body. You know your own limitations. This is confidence building. Then, calf raises, single calf raises. Again, pushing up on each one. And one that I really like doing now is marches. Now you can watch yourself in front of the mirror because you don't want to be moving your hips around, and you may just start with a slight heel raise. I'm up to here now and trying to go fast. Again, this is neural proprioceptive, and then slowing it down. You can see my balance has really gone on my good leg as well, surprisingly. Okay, so those are really good confidence builders. I'm finding, again, doing daily, moving around, okay, being careful still with your knee, and of course, I'm adding squats in as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's exercises. Comment, like, please subscribe. Don't forget also my main website, pre-postnatal perimenopause exercise programs for mums, women over 40, etc. You can go to pregnancyexercise.co.nz for all of those. And I'm also core diastatics pelvic floor specialist as well. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Talk to you all soon. Bye, everybody.